Hey everyone, it's a Storm Shield day. I'm meteorologist Jason Myers. We have two, count them, two tornado watches in effect right now, one until 8 p.m. Eastern, one until 9 p.m. Eastern. We also have one severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect until 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, depending on how you want to look at that. That severe thunderstorm watch, most of Tennessee, at least central Tennessee, northeastern Mississippi, and northwestern Alabama. Tornado watch number 1 until 8 p.m. Eastern for most of Kentucky. Tornado watch number 2 until 9 for most of Ohio. And this is really where we're going to see that biggest tornado threat. Most of us just looking at some strong winds, possibly some hail, but wind definitely going to be the biggest threat. In fact, we've already had quite a few thunderstorm warnings that have been issued because of those winds, and then even a few tornado warnings as well. Most of those were isolated to northeastern Ohio, but just looking at a few of those cells, all of them traveling to the northeast. It has been hot, it has been humid. You'll notice this line of rain showers behind it is really right where the front is, but out ahead of it, we got to see a little bit of sunshine, and that added to the heat and humidity that we've been feeling throughout most of the day in this part of the country. Look at these high temperatures in the 80s right now, 70s, a few spots in the 60s. Factor in the moisture, look at those dew points. That is soupy. Dew points in the upper 60s, near 70 in a few spots. That is a lot of moisture to work with. And that's really going to be the case. We're going to see some strong winds, some heavy rain, possibly a few tornadoes, and possibly some hail as well. I mentioned the sunshine really creating that instability. Just to show you what I mean by that, look here. This is that instability being shown off. A lot of it, especially in southern Ohio, western West Virginia. And you'll notice this is where a lot of the thunderstorms are going to be developing. So throughout the rest of the evening, we'll see a few thunderstorms popping up here and there. I think a lot of these severe instances are going to be very isolated. We're not going to see one big organized system. They're going to be hodgepodge all across the watch boxes. So keep Storm Shield handy. It will alert you to any watches and warnings for your area only as soon as they're issued. And of course, I'll keep you posted on Twitter and on our Facebook pages. Stay safe this evening. We'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe this video. Until then.